Hey, I'd like to take a couple minutes to tell you about the Implement Azure Workloads and Security course over at INE. This course is aligned with the AZ300 certification exam from Microsoft. It's not certification prep per se. The idea is to give you the expertise that you need to do the job, which also happens to align with the expertise that you would probably need in order to do well on the exam. This course covers really four main areas within Azure. We're going to talk about several areas within the Azure AD environment and the identity environment in general. So we'll talk about managing Azure AD, what that is. We'll talk about hybrid identity, and that's a huge topic for most folks, getting that on-premises identity synchronized with your Azure AD for your cloud applications. We have kind of a standard topic, role-based access control, how that's implemented within the Azure environment, and also multi-factor authentication and how you can just kind of plug that in and what the options are there. We also have some serverless compute topics, which kind of goes in a very different direction, but they're all part of the same course. And we're looking at the two common serverless capabilities, particularly for application development and really data moving function apps and logic apps. And we'll talk about what both those are, give some examples, and show you how to get those going. We're also going to talk about some networking. Really, the last two topics deal with networking. We're going to look at the Azure Load Balancer. What are load balancing options within the Azure environment? And we're also going to talk about connectivity. How do we hook up our on-premises environment so that we've got workloads in on-prem, and we've got workloads in Azure, and we've got users in on-prem, and how do we make all of that seamless, right? Not only for our users, but also simplify it from the standpoint of managing all of these resources. So that's what we've got in this course, and I hope you're interested, and I hope you come on over to INE.com and join me for this course.